Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Just Behave, and I am back with another video. And in this video, you guys, we're going to be doing a Btartbox nail set. It's going to be really simple, really cute, really dainty. Let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Okay, so first things first, you want to go ahead and get these Btartbox X coat tips, and it comes with instructions on the back step by step if you want to follow some type of guide. And I'm going to be using this rhinestone glue. This is my favorite currently from Betty Cora. It's really good. I really like it. And this is the 8-in-1 nail glue gel, which I really love. These are all of the things that you can do with this gel, so I absolutely love it. It's on Amazon. And then I'm going to use some base coat. I was just deciphering between which one. And you want to prep your nails first and foremost. You always want to do that. So I just cut off the free edge, and I don't use a nail clipper. I use a cuticle nipper to cut my nails. I just like the control that I have with this. I can really see, and I don't have the full nail clipper just covering my whole entire nail. So that's my reason behind that. So when I'm doing something else, I'll come right back. Okay, so you want to go ahead and size your nail. You want to make sure that you don't go smaller. It's better that you go bigger than smaller if you can't find your size, but I love the variety. So, as you can see here, I have wide nail beds. So I gotta make sure that I flatten it if I need to. That way the glue can adhere and there's not like a big gap in between my nail and the nail tip in the middle, because that will definitely cause lifting. So I just press it flat to my liking, and then I'll fit it onto my thumb just to make sure. And I do that with all of the fingers. I don't have to flatten all of them. Just if I notice that there's going to be a little gap, I make sure to fix it. Now you guys, this is also a very important step, so pay attention. You see that right there? My nail bed or my cuticle area, the shape is not square like that. So what I'm gonna do is shape it to my nail bed. So you wanna go in lightly. You don't wanna overdo this because you can really mess it up. Little by little, you want to make sure that you lightly go around the edges just to round it off to the shape of your nail plate. Everyone's is different. Mine's is like a little bit rounded off. It's not square like that, but as you can see, it's getting better. It's rounding off at the edges. So now I'm going to do it again, just little by little. You don't want to do this in one sitting. You want to try it on in between so that you can get a comfortable fit, because you don't want that to be pushing into your cuticle, causing discomfort, especially if you're going to do like a gel X method, because it's going to be uncomfortable. So as you guys can see here, I'm doing the same thing, and look at that. The shape of it is way better, and I can fix any extra with my drill bit. So I'm sorry, with my e-file. So now I'm going to go ahead and push back my cuticles. You want to make sure to do this so that you can make sure your nail plate is clean, free of anything that's going to cause lifting or just any discomfort. So I'm going in with this mini mandrel bit, and I absolutely love it. I got it off of Shein. They sell them there in AliExpress and all those other places. You want to go in and just lightly file your nail bed, and I don't do that on a high speed. After that, you want to apply nail dehydrator just to dry out your nail plate, get off any excess oil so that you do not have lifting. It may seem tedious or as like a step that you want to skip, but you don't, girl. If you want your nails to last, listen to me. So now I'm going in with my peel off base coat, and this is the company that I got it from on Amazon. So if you want to go check them out, you can. But this causes my nails to last like a good 2-3 days, and I honestly have to really pry it off. So just do a thin coat. I did a thick layer, but thin is better, because if you do thick, it's gonna last a while with this one. But if you don't want it to come off in a couple of days and you want to do 30 days or 2 weeks or whatever, use a normal base coat. But this one, y'all, I think it could have went to 2 weeks because it was not budging. Okay, so now for the fun part, you're gonna go ahead and take this 8-in-1 nail glue gel, and you're gonna apply it to your nail plate, and I'm gonna show you, or your nail bed, and I'm just showing you guys all the benefits again. So I use this to do like a gel X method because it's builder gel, it's all of the things in one. So I just apply a layer to my nail bed, and then I'm gonna apply a layer to the actual nail itself. And you want to make sure you do this not thin. You want to put like a nice gloop on there just to make sure that it adheres to the nail, and make sure you don't cure it on your nail plate. You want to cure them together when you apply it, so your fingers should still have the wet builder gel, the uncured builder gel, and look at that, y'all, pressing that in, making sure it's comfortable, and I cured it. So you do that with all of the nails, and then I'm going to go around my cuticle area. This is another way to make sure your nails look natural and flush. So I'm going to go ahead and go around my cuticle area with this, you guys, and I'm just working my way around it. And it may look like I'm using a fast speed, you guys, but I'm using about 5-6 RPM, no higher than 10, because I don't want to cut myself, and this is also not a safety bit, so you can hurt yourself. So be cautious and use a really, really low speed when you're doing this step. Take your time to do your nails so that it can come out really nice and just, give quality. You get what I'm saying? So low RPM, go around the cuticle area lightly and smoothly. You want to just flush that out. And you can also use acetone after this step, but I didn't have to do that. So I'm doing the same thing with this finger. I'm just showing you guys again. I'm just going around that cuticle area, gently getting all the excess gel overflow off and sealing it at the same time. Low speed, y'all. I keep repeating it because I don't want y'all to hurt yourselves and just be annoyed, because a prick in the cuticle does not feel good and it can be uncomfortable. So after you do that, you want to go ahead and brush off any excess powder or any gel, whatever is left off from the e-file. You want to just brush that off. I put some acetone on it just to dry my nails up, because I'm about to get into, like, the decorating portion and stuff like that. So I want to make sure it's clean. And this is how it looks. So I'm going to go in with just a thin layer of the builder gel again, just to strengthen it a little bit. This is where you can determine if you want to add a thick layer or thin. I just do a thin layer because I feel like the press-ons are good enough for what I need them for. But if you want to do like a builder gel, um, I forgot what else. What else is it called? I don't know. If you want to do just a thick layer of gel, you can in this moment. But I just do like a thin layer of builder gel just to give it a little bit of strength, and then I'm fine. All right, so now you want to go ahead and wipe off that tacky layer, because the builder gel is going to leave like a tacky layer. You want to get that off. So I just rub it, make sure that it's fully cured. Make sure it's still not sticky, because if I wipe it and it's still sticky, it's not cured right, and I'm going to have to do the process all over again. So I'll just go ahead and apply my nail swipe, and I'm just rubbing that in good just to get all that sticky yuckiness off. That way I don't have any like hairs or anything on my nails, and I don't cross contaminate my gel bottles and stuff like that. So as you guys can see, it's nice and shiny. It's not sticky. I'm making sure of it. And now it's time to put on the bling, bling, bling. So I'm just taking out some of my stuff to see what direction I was going to go in. So I'm just looking. I'm like, I don't know. Then I started just like pulling some stuff out and putting it on the nail just to see which way we going with this. So I didn't want to do like a crazy butterfly or anything, because I don't want it to get stuck in my hair this week. So I'm going in with the Betty Core rhinestone glue, and I'm just gonna do like a cute little pearl and crystal or rhinestone cluster, but it's gonna be slanted. And I'm just doing that. So you just want to go ahead and apply it. And this part is just me doing the application. So I'll be back when I'm doing something different. Okay, y'all. So now for the next nail, these are the ones that I decided to pull out and work with just to see what direction I was going to go in with the next one. So I decided to go with this cute little bow. So initially I placed it right here, but I end up moving it. And that's why I like the Betty Cora glue because it's not so watery to where it's going to be moving around too much. It stays put for a while, like a good, like, 2 3 minutes, so I can really gauge and look at the nail to see what I'm gonna do. So I'm just applying some pearls to the cuticle area, and then I'm applying some AB rhinestones beside them just so it could look like a little fun girly dainty. Then I decided to push it up closer towards the cuticle, and I was just picking my hand up. You want to look at it from your view as well as the camera, or from your view as well as just, you want to pick your hand up, girl. Pick it up so you can look at it, move it around, and see if you really like it and make sure everything's straight. So after I did that, I decided to add a couple of pearls to it and just like a little small AB rhinestone. And I was like, yes, this is so cute, right? So girly. Now we're at the end, you guys. You want to go ahead and apply your top coat. All right, y'all. So this is also an important step. I'm going around the rhinestones first, you guys, and just getting the base of the nail. And then afterwards, it may feel tedious, but you gotta go on top and top coat the pearls only, because if you don't, when you're washing your hands, like the gloss on them is gonna chip and then it'll be really, really flat and really dull. So to avoid that, I go ahead and just top coat the pearls. I do that on all my sets, but only the pearls. You don't want to get it on your rhinestones or nail crystals, whatever you call them, just the pearls, because it's going to make your shining dull. You don't want the shine to be messed up. So just do the pearls, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It makes a world of a difference, and a lot of people don't know that. So do your base, then do the pearls, and then you're good. Okay? Okay. All right, so last but not least, you want to go ahead and shape these nails last because they're not super thick like acrylic. You don't have to go in multiple times and shape them. I do the edge of the nail last and the sidewalls last because after I do the top coat and everything, I want to make sure that it's like still crispy. I want to get, like, that little tip that when you take it off of the lineup, I want to get that smoothed out as well. And then I apply cuticle oil, and that's pretty much it. Really cute, y'all. People would not be able to clock you, and know that these are press-ons if you do it this way. But be sure to like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Love y'all. Bye.